We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Welcome to Swara's World and Merry Christmas.
China also have a Santa Claus, and the Santa Claus is he.
You can see this pink one? That is China Santa Claus.
Oh, Poland. Starman. You want me to read?
Yeah, I can't really read that.
Père Noël was the bearer of luxuries for French peasants in the Middle Ages. His gifts were left in wooden shoes set out by the children. His mean-spirited companion, Père Fauchet, left only switches for bad boys and girls. God, there are two people. One is good, one is a mean guy who puts only switches.
For the bad boys and girls.
If you are a bad boy or a bad girl, you're not gonna get a present.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I'm at the barn that baby Jesus was born in.
Okay.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.
Wait, no, this isn't the barn that baby Jesus was born in.
The representation, okay?
Yes, but this is not Bethlehem. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So that was our little time in Pittsburgh, seeing all the beautiful decorations. Bye.